Alright, hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you guys how you can toggle a flashlight on and off, so the light source, right? So ever since I made the video on how to pick up a flashlight or a game object, I got a comment saying, can you also show us how you can, toggle on and off the light source of the flashlight itself. Now you can use this for a flashlight, for a torch, whatever. This is, on you, yeah. So the first thing that we're gonna do is, because I resetted my whole scene, I'm gonna drag in the flashlight again, and it's kind of huge, so you can say 0.5. I'm gonna put that in all of these scaling thingies. I'm gonna say 0, 0, and this is gonna be -90, and I'm gonna drag it to wherever I want the object to be shown on the player. So I guess here. Okay, that looks pretty good. And then in the the video that I made about how to pick up an object or a flashlight, whatever, I childed the flashlight under my controller, but the best way of doing it is to child it underneath the camera. Just so when you look around, the game object that is childed underneath your camera also turns with the camera. Yeah. Okay, so that's all that we need in the scene, basically. Now we're just going to make these scripts. So we're going to make a new C# script, and this is going to be called toggle light. You can name this whatever that you want, yeah. This is all up to you. So we do not need the start method. What we do need is some variables. So we're going to say, game object light source. This is going to be the light source that we can turn on and off. I think that is good. Then we need a private bool. I'm gonna say is on or something, and then false. All right, that's all we need for the variables. Then we're gonna say if input.getKey code.e, and then we're gonna check for another. We're gonna check if the boolean is on is false or true. So we're gonna say if it is false, so is on, then we're gonna call a function which is going to be light on, I guess. I'm gonna call it like that, and else we're just gonna say light off. Now obviously we need to make these functions, so we're gonna say void light on. There we go, and all that we need is we're gonna say light source dot set active true, and then we're gonna make a new function called void light off, and we're gonna copy this code. I'm gonna paste it here and set it to false. Okay, now the thing is, if I wait, we forgot something. We also need to say is on is true, and here copy this code, paste it underneath, and say set to false. But this is going to be very triggery. I'm going to show you guys what I mean. So I'm going to click and drag in the script that we just made, and we're going to put in the light source. So with mine it's called lights. Put it in. We're going to press on play. I'm going to show you guys what I mean. Okay, so whenever I press on E, you can see that it's kind of buggy, right? Because it's checking if the light is on and off, and it's really fast. So how can we make it so that it is nice? Okay, so what we're gonna do is, instead of just calling this function like this, we are going to invoke it. So what that means is, this is a method that takes in a method as a string in a string format. So we cannot just say light on, right, like this, and then say, because it also takes in a float time, so how long it takes for that function to be active. So if I say 2, this is not going to work. It's going to complain. It's going to say we cannot convert a void, you know, a method to a string. So all we need to do is put this, or make a string out of this. So like that, paste it in like this. Okay, then I'm going to say 0.3. I think that should be good. Now make sure that this is obviously the same as your function, otherwise it's not going to work. And that's pretty much the same thing with this. Just gonna say Control V, and this is going to be light off. And that should be it. So if I press on play, it should be working beautifully now. Okay, so if I press on E, you can see that it turns on nicely. If I press on E, then it closes off. Press on E, press, you know, on and off. Pretty cool. Works beautifully. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Now obviously you can make this faster by just saying 0.2, but I wouldn't go below 0.2. Otherwise it's still going to be very buggy. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for all of the positive comments that I'm getting on these Unity tutorial videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.